Alright guys, this is going to be our Bowman Chrome Jumbo 2-box 30-spot random team break. Roll our dice, see how many times everything's going to be randomized. Two fives, we're going 10. It's full, Shiny. I'm sorry, buddy, did you ask for one? Oh, no. It's full. I didn't see that up there. 10 times. I appreciate it, bud. Alright, let's get our teams knocked out first. And first, while we're here, let's do a little roll call, make sure we didn't miss anybody. We have Dennis with 3, Ants with 2, Sean with 2, Tim with 2, Jerry with 2, Mike B with 2, Hugo with 2. Then we get into our specials. We had Brandon, Jose, Ants, Jerry, Jose. Tim, Mike B, Jose, Tim, Jose. We have Michael H with 2, Tim with another, and Paul with the last 2. Everyone see the name where it should be? Everyone good to go? Maisie, don't stop. We got plenty of Chrome to run through. We got plenty of it. Roll out another one of these if you guys want. I mean, this is cheap. Alright, we're going to do our teams. We roll a 10. Angels all the way down to Yankees. And 10 times. Just 1. 2. 3. 4. 5. 6. 7. 9. 10th and final time coming up. Angels in the 1 spot. Dodgers are in the 12. Cubs are in the 25 spot, and the Phillies are in the 30 spot. Alright, on to our names. We've already gone over them, so we get right into it. 10 times. Just 1. 2. 3. 4. 5. 6. 7. 8. 9. 10th and final time coming up. Tim in the 1 spot, Ants in 2. Shawnee in the 30 spot. There's your 10 times. Looks like Mr. Webb Jr. hit the 25 spot. Alright, so we have Tim with the Angels. Rangers to Ants. Orioles to Sims. Dennis with the Royals. Sean with the Tigers. Hugo with the Brewers. Jose with the Rays. Michael H with the Giants. Jose with the Jays. Mike B with the Braves. Mike B with the Indians. Dodgers to Ants. Twins to Dennis. Marlins to Jose. Padres to Ants. White Sox to Dennis. Diamondbacks to Mike B. Paul with the Nationals. Red Sox to Jose. A's to Webb Jr. Paul with the Rockies. Yankees to Hugo. Pirates to Tim. Reds and Cubs to Jerry. Astros and Mets to Tim. Michael H with the Mariners. Cardinals to Tim. And Shawnee with the Phillies. I'll give you guys a minute to work out some trades. Let me just move myself over here so I can see what you guys have to say. I was about to say, Jose, what are you talking about? You got one of the stronger teams. Like the NFC East there, Tim? All right, we're going to cut the case open. We can figure out what 2 boxes we're going to run with. That was pretty funny. That's the worst team, worst division to get in here. They suck, and they killed it. I'm knocking cameras off over here. All right, this is how we're going to do this. All right, got our 8 boxes. So watch me here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We're going to randomize 10 times. All right, here we go. 1 through 8. 1 and 2 will be the 2 boxes we take. Tenth and final. So 3 and 1. 3 and 1. So 1, 2, 3. Those are 2 boxes. Do you have any trades working? Peeling off food stamps. That's messed up. All right, I don't see anything going. Let's go. I guess it would help if I changed the camera the way it's supposed to be on. You guys might appreciate that. All right, good luck, everybody. What's up with these chest pains I'm having today? It's not cool, though. Yeah, just a heart attack. It actually almost feels like, I don't know, man. It feels like somebody punched me in my freaking chest. I don't know. It's weird. That's not gas. It feels like almost like a bruise. Yeah, I probably could have. Maybe you'd be surprised, buddy. No. Oh yeah, you can believe that somebody's getting reamed right now over that one. Yeah, we were talking about that earlier, Shani. Hugo was telling us about that. Alright, here we go. First box. We'll just scroll through the vase, stop on the inserts and important prospects. We got Piazza, Diamond. First hits, going to the Nationals, blue refractor autograph, Jacob Johansson. Doing die cuts, Lindor and Raw Mondesi. Figure those out. Got a blue Homer Bailey, 163 to 250 for the Reds. Bryce Harper, Bowman Diamond. Danwell Lugo, blue. Miguel Sano, die cut for the Twins. Chris Sale, mini. Chris Tillman, purple to 150 for the Orioles. Billy McKinney and Kyle Crick doing die cuts. Next hit, refractor autograph, Gabriel Yanoa for the Mets. That's weird. If I fall over, somebody call 911. Some of you guys have my address. Oscar Taveras, die cut. Next hit. Yeah. For the Reds, Gabriel Rosa. We have a Masahiro Tanaka mini for the Yankees. And Michael O'Neill, prospect auto for the Yankees. Billy Hamilton, die cut for the Reds. For the Mets again, Robert Selman. We have a Xander Bogaerts mini for the Red Sox. Matt Kemp, blue refractor for the Dodgers. Michael Taylor, refractor for the Nationals, the 500. Julio Urias, Hunter Renfroe, doing die cuts. Josh Hamilton, green refractor, 29 of 75 for the Angels. Frank Thomas, Bowman Diamond. Wasn't a great first box. Yeah, it does, Tim. Remember last year, I had the worst of luck with Flawless last year. I got in 3 drafts. 2 with Boom, 1 with Scott, and every single one, I got the last pick. Every one, I got the last pick. And one of mine was a Gail Goodrich autograph. That was horrible. It was horrible. Only 3 I got into. Ooh, that's pretty. Yeah, I'm gonna be in the Water Migsy in one of them. Probably. I already see a little bit more color in this one than we did in the last one. Well, I mean, Migs, that would probably be the only person that I would do it with. But the other person I would do it with would be me. We're not getting any. We'll have flawless football. We'll have flawless football. Yeah, Tim, check out some from last year, man. There's some absolutely disgusting stuff in it. Uh-oh, we got a redemption in this one. Save the redemption for last. Maybe it's something special. Anibal Sanchez, refractor for the Tigers. 461 of 500. Goo! Chris Owens, die cut. If any of you guys in the break want base, send me an IM now. Alex Cobb, orange refractor, 20 of 25. Jose's 4 teams equal. Worst teams ever. Almora and Stevenson, Cubs, Reds. Let's figure out what to do with those at the end. Yeah, Tim, I would say go to Boomo. If you're going to do it, go to Boomo and do it. Xander Bogaerts, die cut. For the Phillies, Jake Sweeney, first hit of the box. Got a dueling die cuts. Andrew Heaney and Noah Syndergaard. Next hit, we have a refractor autograph for another one of Jose's horrible teams. Johnny Field for the Rays. Everybody tell Jose what number he is. Jose, you're number 1. I'm kidding. Gosuke Camel Kato for the Yankees. Next hit, also for the Phillies. Kelly Dugan. Got a green coming up. Refractor, not auto. Yu Darvish. Refractor mini. Green refractor Adam Jones. 27 of 75. Blue Elvis Arroyo to 250 for the Indians. Wonder who that is. Guerrero Bowman Diamond. What is this number 299? Miguel Cabrera. Die cut mini blue refractor. Blue wave, I should say. Ooh, that's a pretty one. Jose Abreu. Die cuts. And numbered 61 of 200 for the Cubs. Aflac All-American autograph, Javier Baez. Nice one for the Cubs. Jason, it's only a $20 card when you want it. It's the only time it's ever a $20 card. Oh, Chris Bryant 101. That'll get you $10. I'll buy it right now for 15. James Paxton, refractor to 500 for the Mariners. Lucas Giolito, Brandon Nemo, doing die cuts. You don't want it? Todd Frazier, bubble refractor for the Reds. 99. Masahiro Tanaka, Bowman Diamond for the Yankees. Alex Guerrero, mini. Ryan Kuzma, blue refractor. I'm not doing upside down in the break. Alright, so we got our redemption. Let's just put that there. Go through the base, make sure nothing special is going to pop out on us. Nice mini. Gregory Polanco. And our last hit of the break. Congratulations! You are due to receive an unfocused picture of this redemption card. Alright, here it is. Prospect autograph, green parallel, Franklin Barreto. Blue Jays, right? Migs? Blue Jays, right? Thought so. That's a nice one. Alright, guys, and that's the 2-box break. Not bad. No monsters. No monsters. If you guys want to run another one of those, we will. We got the jumbo full case. We got the half case. Let's figure out which one we're going to run next. Kill the recording. Thank you all. If you didn't make it, thanks.